Hello, my name is Jim Olson. This is a video on how to create a website on WordPress.com. I'm just going to be showing you the steps for getting your website started. Then there are many websites and videos on the internet that'll help you learn how to use WordPress itself. We're going to be going to WordPress.com, not WordPress.org. On WordPress.com, there's a free version and a paid version. I'm going to be demonstrating the free version. You might want to check out the paid options on your own. Okay, I'm over at my browser and I'm going to do a Google search for WordPress. And I'm going to take this first step right here, WordPress.com, create a WordPress site. And you'll probably get to a page like this. You are going to need to create an account early on in the process. I think probably if I hit start your site here, it's going to ask me to create an account. So you'll need to create an account with an email and a username and a password. I have already done so, so I'm going to be creating mine here just using my Gmail. So this is step 2 of 7. What kind of site are you going to be building? I'm not sure that this is real critical how you answer this question. If you're a church or nonprofit organization or a personal site, I think I'm going to choose business. And let's say we're doing this for a church. And you can always change your look and feel of the website later. So this is kind of the initial view of it. Now we're going to be typing in the business name. So let's say I'm going to do a church website for Stronghurst United Methodist Church. So I'll put in Stronghurst UMC and hit continue. Now I'm to step 5 of 7. And we're going to choose the style, modern, sophisticated, professional, or calm. And you can kind of see the options here. Maybe I'll use modern. We'll hit continue. Now I'm on step 6 of 7. So now we're going to be setting up the site address. So I think I'm going to call this Stronghurst Church, and we're going to see if that is available. On the left-hand side here is the paid version. And if I wanted to get stronghurstchurch.com, it looks like it's available. But down below here are the free versions. Stronghurstchurch.wordpress.com is free. So I think I'm going to go ahead and select that. That brings me to this screen, which says pick the plan that's right for you, $5, $8, $25, $45, or right here is start with a free site. So I'm going to click that. It says awesome, give us a minute. And our site has been created. Our website has been created for us. And they have given us some default things here that we can edit. You're going to need to learn how pages work, how posts work, and how you use the themes to customize your website. Here on the page here at the bottom, I see that we can edit. And when we get into the editing mode, we have some options over here. Like I said, there are a number of videos out on the internet that teach how to make pages, how to make posts, how to customize your website, how to do various things with WordPress. Just a couple of quick comments. If you hover on something, it's going to give you some hints as to what it will do. You can also view the website. If you click here, this is our Stronghurst UMC website, and then right up here is Visit Site. And now we're looking at the website the way it would look out on the internet. And this is your address right up here, stronghurstchurch.wordpress.com. Okay, a couple more quick comments. I have logged myself out, so I am looking at this website as anyone out on the internet would be looking at it. If I want to log in and edit it, there's a couple ways to do it. One is right down here with the 3 dots here. I can log in, and I can log in here, and that's going to give me access to edit my website. The other way you can log in, which is very useful, is to put /wp-admin. WP-admin means I want to get in and log in, and you can log in here and edit your site. By the way, this particular interface is a particularly nice one. You can get to your posts, your pages, do things with the appearance, and so on. A couple more things about the interface. If you hit My Sites and then switch site, this is a list of all your websites, and I have a handful of them. And down here at the bottom is Add New Site, and this is where you would start the process of adding a new website. You'd hit Start Now, and we would go through the steps again. Here's step 1 of 6 again. If you would like to learn more information about building a church website, see my website called churchwebsites.drjimo.net. Have a great day.